So now we want to talk about the tip of the month. And the tip of the month this month comes from my book, 101 Costly HR Mistakes and How to Fix Them. And the mistake that we're going to talk about in the book is mistake number 35, tolerating an employee's poor performance. Now, I can't tell you how many employers I've run into that have given me all the excuses in the world of why they're keeping an employee who has demonstrated poor performance. Oftentimes, it's been over years that they've demonstrated poor performance, such as bad attitudes or poor attendance or bullying behavior. And they say, well, we don't want to get rid of them because when they're here or when they're doing good, they're good, whatever the reasons may be. But you should not tolerate poor performance, because what can happen is that poor performance can drain the organization. It can cause reduction in productivity, which in turn could reduce your profits, and also the morale issue. It can cause low morale. It can cause other co-workers to become disgruntled, and then they may start to accuse the employer of favoritism or discrimination. And you don't want that to happen. Therefore, it's crucial that employers address poor performance and make sure that poor performers know what your expectations are. Make sure you outline what the expectations are and make sure that they have the tools they need to perform their jobs appropriately. Now, one of the best ways to start with a poor performer is by implementing a performance improvement plan, and we call them PIPs. You could start there with the performance improvement plan. And unfortunately, sometimes you may have to go further into disciplinary action if this person's performance does not improve.
Learn how to protect your organization and improve your bottom line. Get your copy of Vanessa's book, 101 Costly HR Mistakes and How to Fix Them. Her book is packed full of real-life experiences and available to you now at Amazon.com or NelsonHRReport.com.